In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in BiliBili account. First of all, launch open BiliBili application. You can see over here BiliBili application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. First of all, check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now you'll be able to find several login methods over here. You'll be able to find the options for Google, Facebook, Twitter, email or phone. Tap on the option of your choice. If you tap on the option email, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. After that, tap on the next option. A verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is enter that code and you'll be logged into your account. Likewise, if you tap on the option phone, you'll have to enter the phone number. After that, the verification code will be sent to your number. Simply enter that code and you'll be logged into your account. Or you can also simply tap on any other option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, continue with Google. Now you'll have to choose an account to continue. Tap on the account of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll directly be logged into your account. So that is how you log in BiliBili account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.